This conversation is between a waitress and the client at the restaurant. In the first section of the video, listen and repeat the dialogues. In the second part of the video, try speaking with me. So let's start. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Can I help you? Please book a table for one. Sure, sir. Come with me. You can sit here. Thanks. Can I have the menu? The menu is on the table. So, I want an Italian pizza with extra red capsicum on it. Would you like anything to drink? A Coke, please. Do you want anything else? Yes, I want a piece of vanilla pastry. Okay, anything else? No, thanks. Could I have the bill, please? Of course. Here you are. Thanks. You can keep the change. Have a nice day. Thanks. The same to you, sir. Now it's time to speak with me. Good afternoon. How can I help you? Sure, sir. Come with me. You can sit here. The menu is on the table. Would you like anything to drink? Do you want anything else? Okay, anything else? Of course. Here you are. Thanks. The same to you, sir.